pulling up to the spot. It's a nice little car meet today. The Parkade. Oh! It's not even Amadeus driving. That's not Amadeus. Oh, what's up, bro? How you doing? Oh, we out here. What's up, bro? How you doing? It's actually kind of nice, this spot, yo. Not to be honest, right? These people. My bad. Oh, damn! I missed it. I missed it. They were racing over. Inline 6? Does this push, you think? You think this pushes? Yeah? Why'd they put a big ass smokes the G? It'll fuck up the G, say a word.
Imagine this was a black one. This guy wanted to finance one of these so bad.
A Scion?
Okay.
You wanted to get a Scion?
That's only because I wanted to either supercharge it or turbocharge it. That's the only.
Does it make these quick?
Yeah. Stock
really?
Stock is fucking whack. It goes about as fast as the TSX or less. About the same. About the same.
Oh,
and
damn.
the TSX is heavier.
Damn. Hood rack cars. It's a nice little. Ooh. That shit's loud as fuck. What's up, yo? Yo, kind of what? You seen oh, it's a Toyota Sienna, it's a van, but they made it look nice. Why? I don't know about that. This shit's clean. Would you race this? With this? You think this could beat the...
Bro, I get smoked in a second, bro.
I don't know. I have some faith. Off the line now, you got it.
4x4, bro.
Yeah. Ooh. Class. Hey, boy. Loud. Boost loading. She's clean. Oh, she's not here. Can't even see the inside. What do you mean? He's like, I can't see the inside. What is that? Is that his?
I definitely do like the.
Oh, look at the way the roof looks. I never knew the roof looked like.
I did this new for speed game, and it literally looks like
just like this.
Just like that.
Damn.
Different, but
that's sick though. It's actually thick. It's actually thick though. With a big wing? Yeah, I don't know. Not much cars can actually like. Yeah. See a little pole, please.
oh, mamacita me dio ojos.
Me dio ojos. Me dio ojos. We got DK bands in the cut. Can I hear it? Can I hear the? I need to hear the car. I need to hear it. Yeah. Yo.
See,
you want to try
something? There's a little something.
A little, you know what I'm saying? You tried. It's a good attempt. Oh, they're so... I don't even know what they...
Nothing.
No, it's whatever. Why you boys go quiet for? was so loud. Yeah, I like it. Straight pipe or give it a pipe?
Oh my gosh.
Hey, I'll put you in the video. So there's another super coming.
Oh yeah. So yeah, I'm trying to get her in the fucking.
Oh, it's nice at drifting. But we need to see it. I'm kidding. Is it dropped all the way? Yeah. Is it all the way down? Oh, I think it is. Oh, look at it. Hey! Yo, look at that. Look at that. That's so. Alright.
Shit, crashes fucking everywhere.
Bro, fuck, missed that.
Oh shit. It's pretty clean actually. What else? Put you 35. Oh, another beam. Damn, I like that. It's actually kind of clean.
Fucking Civic King. Oh, that's not an.
What is that? An NSX? What? RSX, whatever.
Oh,
Shit. Hold a minute. Damn. Fuck, that's actually pretty nice. Holy. I've seen like 2 of these, bro. Nobody else dipped in, eh? But anyways, let's just show off this. You know what I'm saying? We got the beamer. You know what I'm saying? Stock fitment. It's all good though. Still nice. And 5 wheels. For sure.
Unfazed and unwavering.